Welcome back. This is going to be the video on the angled spare mag holder slash angled grip. So for this one, you only need to know two things. So it fixes in place with this screw right here, which you can access using the hole in the front and the included Allen key. So it goes straight in, it snaps into place. And once it's there, you can turn the screw and fix it in place. And the second thing is this screw right here. This is the adjustable retention screw for the mag holder. Turning this one clockwise will make sure that the magazine sits tighter inside the mag holder. And if you loosen it up, it will make it easier to slide the magazine in and out. But just be careful. Make sure you adjust the tension so that it doesn't slip out by itself. But yeah, without further ado, let's see how this one fits on the pistol. And just slide the angled grip on there. Insert the Allen key and start twisting. And make sure that you're initially also pushing onto the Allen key in that direction, so it catches the thread and it's not turning by itself. And once you get to a point where there's no gaps, you can just tighten it. Just make sure you don't over tighten it, and that's it. You're good to go. And now you can use the mag grip holder to hold the spare mag, and that's it. See you in the next one.